Meaning of enervate.
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 Enervate. Enervate means to weaken or drain of energy or vitality. The result of enervation is a feeling of exhaustion or fatigue, both physically and mentally. It can also lead to a lack of motivation or enthusiasm for life and work. Enervation can be caused by a variety of factors such as stress, illness, lack of sleep, poor nutrition, or a sedentary lifestyle. Over time, chronic enervation can have serious negative effects on one's health and well-being, including decreased productivity and an increased risk of developing physical and mental health problems.